I think we are going to change, whereby we shall construct, when we construct a class, we make sure that we have got a more space so that they can be enjoined, and then it becomes a stream of either 2 to 3 classes when our county shall be doing the second and the third phase of constructing the same classrooms. Thank you. Thank you.
You are through.
Honorable members. I'm not through. I've got another question from.
Only one.
There is this one from Mr. Honorable Member Evans, Mr. Speaker, sir, and he wanted to know whether the appointment, if I get this appointment, whether I am going to resign, and I can sincerely tell you, I beg your pardon, Honorable Member, I can tell you that I am a risk taker. When I was growing, I was a special person. I was in a category that I came to learn about when I joined Kenya Institute of Special Education, yenye tuliita Kulundi, children living under especially difficult circumstances. So,
are you one of them?
I was, yeah. I had the period that I had dropped from school, that is 2 years. Honorable Chair and honorable members of the House, I went indulged myself in very many things for those 2 years. I was a small boy, standard 6, but I was subjected to a lot of things.
But I know you are very lucky. I can see your worthiness is 2.6 million.
Yeah.
So I don't see any relationship between the past and the present.
The past and the present.
Isn't that a good reason to tell God thank you?
Honorable Chair, I say thank you to God. I thank you.
Thank you, Durandera. Continue.
Okay. That is why, Honorable Chair and the honorable members of the House, the reason why I have told you that I'm a risk taker is that I don't fear the world, and I know I will work with you in accordance with the established laws, and I shall be very approachable, and I shall be listening to all of us, and the office that you give me, when you appoint me, I know you shall use it because I'm a social person.
Thank you, Durandera. Now I want, you came in as a nominee for the Department of Education. We have listened to you, and sincerely speaking, the members have confirmed that you are very genuine, and I'm very sure they are happy with you. I'll give you just 2 minutes. Anything that you want to tell them before we release you? Please, members, let's give only Durandera a chance to. Please, you know you have taken 1 hour. No, I've made a ruling on that. Durandera, please take 2 minutes and tell the members anything that you want to tell them before you leave. Thank you, Durandera.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Chair, and to you, Honorable Chair, and our honorable members in the House. I just wanted to say thank you for listening to me. I know that I shall work diligently, and I won't let us down. As I said, given this appointment, I will make sure that whatever I have talked about as I was responding to the questions from the honorable members, I shall do it, and sincerely I know I shall do it, and I promise to cooperate with every one of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Thuranira, for coming. Karundu, please ensure Thuranira gets all his document, and Thuranira check if all the documents are there. Please confirm if all the documents are there. Mwenda, please escort Thuranira, and then Karundu, bring in our next nominee. Honorable Secondino, the majority, please take a minute and then come back so that we finish up with our last nominee. Endina, please do the necessary. Thank you. Welcome, Munene. Please have a seat. Welcome, Munene. Dickson Munene Kanata. Munene, this is our committee on appointment, Meru County Assembly. And I can see your name was brought as a nominee for public service, management and administration and legal affairs. And being a lawyer, you know the importance of the oath. I don't need to explain to you because you do it on a daily basis. So can you proceed and administer the oath to Dickson Munene?
Thank you. I, Dickson Munene, do solemnly swear that the information that I shall give before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you, Benson. Thank you, Munene. Munene, I will give you 2 to 3 minutes. Please tell us about yourself, where you are born, where you grew up, where you went to school, and also what you have been doing.
Thank you, Chair. My name is Dickson Munene Kanata. I was born in a village called Kiria, Karindene, Kiria location, about the Gucci Central Ward, Central Imenti constituency in Meru County. I started my learning in 1992 in Kiria Primary School. I went to all the way. I sat my first attempt KCPE in 1999. I passed. I was not able to join high school then for lack of school fees. I missed an opportunity to join Kibiricha Boys High School. I again sat chair for my KCPE again 2000. I passed my exams. And the second time, I was not able to join Meru School. I lost that opportunity due to lack of school fees. I repeated again chair in 2001. And out of well wishers, the community, my teachers, they came together under fundraising. I was able to join Kanyakine High School. I was the top boy in 2001 KCPE. I joined Kanyakine High School. I sat my KCSE in 2005. I scored grade A minus. I was the top student in Kanyakine High School. And chair, I joined the university, Moi University in 2007 for my LLB, that is a degree in law, which I graduated in 2011, December, with a in 2012, I joined Kenya School of Law for my higher diploma at the Kenya School of Law. In 2013, chair, I joined the mandatory pupillage at a law firm called Muriu Mungai and Company Advocates, MMC Advocates then, now MMC Asafo. Chair, in 2014, I was admitted to the bar on 18th February 2014. I became an advocate of the High Court. I was still continuing at the MMC Advocates. And in July of 2014, I joined a law firm called Kithi and Company Advocates, where I started as an associate advocate, and at the time of leaving in 2017, mid-2017, I was an associate partner. I joined my two other classmates, campus classmates and colleagues. We formed a law firm called Okubasu Munene and Kazungu Advocates, LLP. I have been practicing there as a partner until now. Chair, out of my experience and that process, out of my experience, out of the hardship that I had schooling, I must confess, Chair, that while in high school, I had to, at some point, my grandfather had to surrender his cow to pay my school fees. He drove that cow to school to pay my school fees. I am passionate about education. I am a member of board, Career Day Secondary School. I've been a member there from 2017 to date. This is my 5th year. And as a way of giving back to the community, I have undertaken to sponsor students. Every student that tops in every class in that school, I pay their school fees for the following term. I have been doing that honestly. I have also been supporting community in education. It's something that has been driving me passionately. Chair, at the moment, I'm also a PTA member, Iruru Girls Secondary School, Form 1, courtesy of a student that I have sponsored, paying her school fees, a student that topped in Karindene Primary School, a village school that close to home, was not able to pay her school fees. I paid her school fees. I have been paying. I've been a guardian, and that is the reason why I've been appointed a PTA member. And that's it.
You have told us that your grandfather and to surrender cow. Have you bought even a goat for him? Or have been you repaying for the work well done?
Chair, I must confess that after that, I have been able to elevate his level of living. I have constructed a house worth around 3 million. I have bought them dairy cows, 2 dairy cows, worth 80,000 each. And at the moment, I believe I have given back enough, and I am not about to end giving back to them.
Thank you, Munene, for your generosity. At this juncture, Munene, I'll give the honourable members an opportunity to pose questions, and don't ask to answer one by one. You can put off the mic. So you take a note of the honourable member who is asking a question, or who or she is asking a question, and then note the question. Then when we give 3 to 4, then you are